Today's video, we're going to install this Bluetooth head unit on the Sierra. With the keys to accessories, I'm going to shift down. On the radio on each side, there's these little push down tabs. I'm going to press down on them and wiggle the radio out. And once you slide it out, and here's your old radio. Alright, so now we're just going to attach the adapter harness that goes into your stock radio harness and the one that goes to your new radio, and then you're just matching colors. Now we have a harness situated. Now we'll go ahead and install it. Now that the wiring's all set up, plugged it in, we're going to go ahead and just test fit it. So the plug only goes in one way. We got power. And there you go. Now with the correct adapter, other head units will sit flush inside of here. Due to the design of this one, it sticks out. So for this one, you need an M5 by 0.8 screw. You can go ahead and route your USB cord through the back of everything and have it come out to wherever you specifically want it. Then you press it until it clicks. And there you go. I'm gonna plug in those wires here. And there you go. Now you got your head unit installed. Hopefully this video helped you. You have a good one.